Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for another log flume ride. We're here at Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're going to go on Daredevil Falls here at Dollywood. We hear it's one of the better ones in the country, so join us. We'll try to do point of view for the ride and then stick with this for the review. We'll let you know what we think of the falls. All right, let's go. You just come in this area right here. Everything is nicely themed. They have some lockers if you want to put some things into your lockers right out of the gate. And then we'll get through to the queue and see you on the falls.
So now we got
just
do it too.
Yeah.
Now y'all seven ride together. Two to a seat. Open on stop.
Climb in, Becky.
Oh, jeez.
We're gonna be up front. See if you got a place to put your feet up. I don't see a place to put the feet up.
I guess here.
Oh man, shoes are gonna get wet. You mean tuck them up all the way up to the front? All right, we'll see. We got a front row seat for it. Oh boy, they've got some indoor dark elements. So far on the theming, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna get our shoes soaked. Oh boy, this is like a coal mine here, flooded coal mine. Okay. Got a little speed. All right, I'm gonna try to not bang off the walls. Ooh, I got dripped on. Okay, let's see how we do, Becky.
Why are we going all lopsided?
Oh.
Is this supposed to be happening?
No. You mean banging off every wall?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. We may be heavy. I don't know how many people are behind us.
Something weird happened. Like two people got on randomly right at the end.
Okay.
But I don't think they're supposed to get on.
I feel like we're leaning to the right. We'll see, huh? If you gotta bail, we'll bail. Lost River Lumber Belt. Woo! It says remain seated throughout the Court Sphere ride. They've got some good theming, but I gotta say, I think the boats are just a little bit too long.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Because you just kind of like we need to be leaning left here, and it's like we're leaning heavy on the right side, so we're just banging every wall. There's the line. It says, smile, you're on camera.
Where?
It'd be nice if you could steer this thing somehow in the front, you know?
I don't think
Like a little,
the weights.
like a little rudder. No, I feel like we're heavier on the right side for sure.
Now we're like slowing down.
Oh, you're gonna get sprayed here.
You are too.
Hi again.
You're gonna get sprayed, Becky. Here comes the drop. All right, here we go. Oh, really?
That was like a fake out.
That was a fake out? Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go. The waterfall looks beautiful, you know? The Jewel Falls over there. And the landscaping is really, it's nice. But when the trees are in full, I'm sure it's really cool. Yeah, it's nicely themed. We usually are not in a two-seater log flume boat. It's usually like one person sits behind the other. So this is like a way bigger boat.
Oh, for sure. It's got 4.
I think it's maximum of 8 people in these things.
Yep.
Oh, right in the shoes.
That got my whole...
I picked them up, but I still got soaked. That was the biggest splash so far of the day.
That went down my pants.
Oh
Big
man,
time.
that was a full splash. We might get. I think we're gonna get drowned on this. This is gonna be a huge splash here.
I don't know how to keep my feet out of it.
Oh, I mean, I picked mine up, but I still got it all down the backs.
Right.
I got that spare pair in the car, so we'll just have to switch them if we're too wet. Yeah, see, we're leaning to the.
That's not
We're leaning right. Here we go, everybody. Oh, sit down.
Oh, my feet. My feet got it that time. Oh.
It looked big. I closed my eyes right at the last second. Now I get too much water in my eyes, and then I opened them back up, and the water was still going.
Oh.
That was a great drop.
That got my socks.
Had a good drop. Oh man.
Wow.
So it's a little slow to start. I think the ride's going to kind of vary depending on how many people you have in the boat. You know how, because look how far to the right we're leaning. I don't think we were riding bounce, but that's okay. All in all, I had a great ride. I'm not sure. Oh, we come up to the top, then we jump out, and then they just keep coming in. I don't think they stop the boat.
Right.
So they got to really coordinate that good. Boy, now I'm feeling chilly once we got inside the breeze here. Okay. We're good. Come on out. Did you make it? All right.
Yeah, that got my socks.
All right, Daredevil Falls. I thought it was really good, actually. I think it's just because the boats are bigger. You can do two-seaters. We're just used to the solo seat log flumes, but we were a little bit unbalanced off to the right. But honestly, yeah, we were banging our tail of the ship into every wall and we were bouncing, so we couldn't really get a lot of speed in the slow part.
Yeah.
Once you get lifted up the hill, that first splashdown, it wasn't like 6-8 feet. But it just blasted over the front.
Out of the station. Yeah.
And then the last fall, that was great. It'd be interesting to see what it looks like on the playback, because the wall of water was coming at me and I closed my eyes for a couple of seconds.
That was a really good drop for a log ride.
Yeah, so we'll see where it ranks out. I think we've probably done about 10 of these in total out there. So we may do a top 10 log flumes video at some point. If we have that many, we may be at 9. I'm not sure exactly, but we'll check. And we enjoy the water rides. Any park with water rides or really good water rides, that just sets the park up higher. So this one just moved up a couple of notches. So it's been a great park. We've had a great time. So great ride. Daredevil Falls. Be sure to get on that. Make sure you're going to get your feet wet. You are going to get wet on that ride. Any final thoughts?
No, definitely a fun water ride.
All right. Click the like button if you like us. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see all our fellow travelers later. Bye, everybody.